Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. In last class, we studied about eyes. So you understood how to recognize various colors, and you can enjoy all the nature, whatever you see around your houses and surroundings. You can enjoy the. I think all of you are experiencing a house. So today we will learn some important, interesting facts about your sense organs. So you all know now. You are aware about your all sense organs, 5 sense organs. All are aware. So today we'll learn still more interesting facts about your sense organs. So one fact will know about one fact slowly now. Tongue. So first tongue, it has 3000 taste buds. Next, it is the strongest muscle in our body. Tongue is very strongest muscle in our body. Next, the average length of the human tongue is 10 centimeters. So approximately our tongue's average length is 10 centimeters. So these are the interesting facts about the tongue. Next, we will learn about skin. As you all know that skin helps to sense all the hot and cold objects. You can sense and you can feel the pain. So it is a largest sense organ in our body. So this is why it is the largest sense organ in our body, because it acts as an outer cover of our body, and it helps all the internal organs of our body, and it keeps our body warm, and it acts like an outer cover. So this plays an important role. That's why it is called as largest sense organ in our body. From top to bottom, our body is covered with the skin. Next interesting fact about eyes. I think everyone is aware about eyes. Already studied in the last class that eyes helps us to see various objects and colors. So when the interesting fact about eyes is that when new babies born, they are color blind. Means they cannot recognize different colors. They are color blind of some few colors. They are not able to recognize whether it is red or pink or blue or black. They are only able to recognize and see the objects. Whatever the objects they see, they can see as black or white. Whether they see their mom or first the infant or child, baby, when he or she see the mother or father face, it appears like white and black in color. Even dress color, anything, it appears as black and white. They cannot recognize the colors. This is the color blind nature. Next, after this all, we learn few points how to take care of our sense organs. One by one, we will learn slowly now. Clean your tongue. We have to clean your tongue. First important point that how to take care of sense organs. We have to clean our tongue with tongue cleaner. You all can see your bathrooms, all tongue cleaners, toothbrush, all will be available. So you have to maintain hygiene also. You have to keep your tongue cleaner properly. You have to keep, or when you are using, again you should wash and keep it apart. Next, you have to bath daily, because you have to keep your skin. Skin plays an important role. You have to keep your body and skin properly and neat. Hygiene. If you will keep your body neat, then you can maintain your skin properly. Next, avoid eating hot or cold things. We should not eat hot or cold things, because our tongue is very sensitive part. So it may damage also. You can't feel sense. Next, never touch or poke with sharp pointed objects. Now I show you a sharp and pointed. You should not poke inside the ears or eyes. In nose, you have to not insert the pencils or sharp objects, because it may damage the sense organs. Next, avoid reading in dim light. Whenever you are sitting in dim light, you should not sit in dim light. You have to sit away from the light, and it should focus. The light should be focused. You should not should avoid reading in dim light, because your eyes will get damaged. Next, avoid watching TV or computer for long duration. So continuously hours together, you should not sit in your TVs or systems or laptops, because your eyes get strained. We get strained to our eyes, so that will reduce our eye power. We can't see the objects clearly. Next, do regular meditations and exercise. And hope you all understood about your sense organs. So now I ask all the children to open the page number 8 in the lesson 1. You can see all the keywords here: fragrance, meditation, sensitive, sense organ. This all you read once carefully and understand what is the meaning of this, so you can understand, because you all studied all the sense organs in this lesson. Next, you complete, after reading, you can once again you read whole lesson. After you answer this exercise questions in page number 9. Next, You read this value-based questions. First you read what is this passage, then you answer the questions whatever they are given below. So enjoy your vacations and be careful. Don't go anywhere out of places. Be hygiene. Take care of health. Thank you, children. Have a good.